Hey guys, how's everyone doing? Kind of want to redo my shop tour videos. Every time I try to do them, my video ends up cutting in half or it won't upload or something. So I'm just going to do a quick run through. This is kind of an idea board. I usually end up using a piece of paper on a table anyways, but if I want to get it done quick, I'll just slide right over here from my bench and draw something down. This was the logo I wanted my company to be, but I couldn't really find anybody to paint it. I could paint it, but painting is one of those things where it takes me a long time to do because I like it to be perfect, and I haven't done very much of it, so it takes me a while. Here's my office. I moved it around a little bit. So here's my storage shelf. This is all recycled wood. The top on here is actually my old bench. I took it apart and used it for this stand. This kind of just holds everything I use. Everything on top is most frequently used. Stuff in the middle shelf is kind of right in between. This is my ingot mold. Anybody curious about how I get my silver into shape so I can hammer it? That's what I use. This is all stuff for sharpening knives. These are old bits for a Dremel. That white case has a bunch of ring cases in it, like this white box up here. You can get them pretty good deal on Rio Grande for them. You can get 12 of them for like $2 each. Then we have just miscellaneous stuff like an old crucible. Got a new crucible. We got tags for selling stuff. We have some silver wire. We got our scrap pieces of silicone carbide abrasive paper. Drill bits. That's Delft clay stuff. Those knives should be next to this. I'm going to get them sharpened soon. Maybe I'll do a live stream. I'm not really sure yet. And then over here is where everything gets made. It's not very pretty, but this is my shop, you guys. This is where I'm at all day, pretty much every day. I've been taking, I don't know, some time off lately, just kind of cooling down, you know. I had a rush right at the end of the year there. Anyways, hope you guys are having a good day. You see anything that you don't know what it is or you want to know where to get it, shoot me a message or a comment. God bless you.